Provoke kids. Light the spark now.
Hello, little stars. Are you ready to test your knowledge and have some fun on this special day? Today, we are celebrating Indian Republic Day 2025. Let's see how much you know about India's history, heroes, and all the other amazing things that make our country so unique. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to answer some fun questions about Republic Day, our Constitution, and much more. Are you ready? Let's begin and make this Republic Day unforgettable. The first question. When is India's Republic Day celebrated? The options are 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October, 14th November. The answer is 26th January. Question 2. Who was the first president of India? And the options are Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Abdul Kalam. And the answer is option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which year did India adopt its constitution? The options are 1947, 1950, 1952, 1951. And the answer is 1950. Question number 4. Who wrote the Constitution of India? And the options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel. And the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 5. Where is the Republic Day parade held? And the options are Rashtrapati Bhavan, Red Fort, India Gate, Rajpath, New Delhi. And the answer is Rajpath, New Delhi. Question number 6. The national flag of India is of how many colors? And the options are 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 3. Question 7. What is the color of the top band of the Indian flag? And the options are green, blue, white, saffron. And the answer is saffron. Question number 8. What does the Ashoka Chakra in the center of the flag represent? And the options are the wheel of time, the wheel of progress, the wheel of truth, the wheel of freedom. And the answer is the wheel of truth. Question number 9. Which animal is the national symbol of India? And the options are lion, elephant, tiger, peacock. And the answer is lion. Question number 10. What is the name of India's national song? And the options are Jana Gana Mana, Vande Mataram, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hum Honge Kamyab. And the answer is Vande Mataram. Question number 11. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? And the options are Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. And the answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 12. The Republic Day celebration marks the day when India became a republic in which year? The options are 1947, 1950, 1949, 1952. And the answer is 1950. Question 13. Which title is given to the person who leads the Republic Day parade? And the options are Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President of India, Defense Minister. And the answer is President of India. Question 14. What is the name of India's national emblem? The options are Ashoka Pillar, Lotus, Tricolor, Peacock. And the answer is Ashoka Pillar. Question 15. Which famous person hoisted the national flag at Red Fort on Republic Day in 1947? And the options are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 16. What is the name of the highest civilian award? The options are Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri. And the answer is Bharat Ratna. Question 17. What does the word republic mean? And the options are a place for shopping, a country where the president is the head of the state, a place with no government, a country ruled by kings. And the answer is a country where the president is the head of the state. Question 18. Who was the first woman president of India? And the options are Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Pratibha Patel, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. And the answer is Pratibha Patel. Question 19. The national flower of India is which of these? And the options are rose, jasmine, lotus, sunflower. And the answer is lotus. Question 20. Which of these is the national animal of India? Elephant, tiger, peacock, lion. And the answer is tiger. And now we move on to the last question for the day. Which of these is a famous leader who fought for India's independence and is remembered on Republic Day? The options are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Very good, kids. I'm so happy that you know so much about India. Keep reading and updating yourself with a lot of knowledge. Until then, our next episode. Bye bye.
Provoke kids. Light the spark now.